Get these tools ready: a B2B connector removal tool, a plastic pry, ESD plastic tweezers, a Phillips screwdriver, and a suction tool. Apply protective film to the TP in case the screen gets scratched during the disassembly. Use the ejection tool to pop out the card tray and then remove it. With the phone screen facing down, attach the suction tool to the position shown. Slowly pull the tool up until a gap around 1 mm wide appears. Insert the plastic pry into the gap at an angle of 60 degrees and at a depth of about 2 mm. Move the pry along the gap as shown to undo all clips. When undoing the clips on the long sides, keep an angle of 60 degrees and a depth of 2 mm. When undoing the clips on the short sides, keep an angle of 45 degrees and a depth of no more than 5 mm. Stop the pry when it is about 5 mm to the fingerprint sensor to prevent the sensor getting scratched. Remove the battery cover as shown. Do not pull the fingerprint sensor FPC with excessive force. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from the steel sheet of the fingerprint sensor. Use the plastic tweezers to remove the steel sheet. Disconnect the fingerprint sensor B2B connector using the B2B connector removal tool. Remove the battery cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove 16 screws as shown. Use the plastic tweezers to remove the battery and main FPC steel sheet. Disconnect the battery B2B connector using the B2B connector removal tool. Use fingers to gently pry open the speaker from the position shown and then remove it. Use the plastic pry to undo the two clips on the PCBA support as shown. Slowly remove the support. Disconnect the main FPC B2B connector on the subboard using the B2B connector removal tool. Gently pry up two coaxial cable heads using the plastic tweezers. Pull out the cable slowly. Use the plastic pry to pry up the subboard from the upper right corner. Remove the subboard from the upper left corner. Use the B2B connector removal tool to disconnect the B2B connectors of the main FPC and the PCBA, LCD, rear camera and front camera. Remove the front and rear cameras. Gently pry up the PCBA from the position shown. Remove the PCBA from the lower right corner as shown. Use the plastic tweezers to remove the headset jack rubber. Remove the proximity sensor subboard using the plastic pry. Disassembly complete. Thank you for watching.